In front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access notifications. Following that, click on App Settings at the top and click on Most Recent. Then select the best option for you, in my case, Most Frequent. Now just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications. To turn them back on, click on the same, now grey switcher. You can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!